Oh yes, welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm by the names of Maurice, the Crochet Master. Let's take a quick look of this kind of hairstyle. It's called French cornrows. Yes, we're going to be doing the French cornrows, and please just subscribe. Oh, don't forget subscribe so that we keep on learning all these kind of hairstyles. Most of the times people play this hair using their own hair, or you can even plait it with an addition of the extension. You just add some extensions. So I want you to I want you to be careful and follow all these steps so that you also learn how to plait the French cornrows. So this is how I do it. I'm going to try to be speedy here so that I'll be showing you on how to plait these cornrows after at the end, so that because it's going to take a lot of time. So let me try to be speedy here so that you'll see it after, and I know you'll like. So this one for the people who know how to plait cornrows. Yeah, I know this is going to be this is going to be simple for you. As long as you have that art, you make sure that your lines are very neat, and this is going to be easy for you. So the only thing here is how that art the art you do to make sure that your French cornrows are going to look neat and very smart, or even unique from others. So let's see how I'm doing this. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe. So as I told you that someone who knows how to plait cornrows, this is going to be simple for you. I'm doing cornrows with her own hair. I'm not adding anything. I think you'll be saying you've been following me. I'm not adding anything. I'm just doing her own hair. So this is how I do plait. I told you, someone who knows how to plait cornrows, it's going to be simple for you. And even if you don't know how to plait the cornrows, still you can learn. Just look at the way I twist of my fingers. Yes, because when you're plaiting the cornrows, the first thing you're supposed to know is how you do the art from your head, like knowing if I cut my lines like this, how is it going to come? Yes, just then you start cutting your lines and you make sure that they're very neat. Yes, make sure they're very, very neat. Because that one gives you they'll give you a good result. So you see how I keep on cutting it, and I plait her own hair. Yes. I can try to explain something, because I know someone who has got straight hair, relaxed hair, is going to ask, can I also do it in my own hair? Yes, for you can also do it in your own hair, though for you, someone with straight hair, the relaxed hair, is what I mean. For you to do it and comes out very nicely, you'll just have to add some little kink, very, very little. That one will help you to make it firm. Yes, because you can just plait normal relaxed hair like this and becomes very firm. So when you add that little kink, the way it helps the way it helps it to be firm. So for that one, I think I'll be showing you in another video that I'll be uploading, showing you how you can plait the French cornrows in straight hair. So I should just subscribe so that you don't miss out those ones with relaxed hair. Yeah, because it's also very important to know it. And I will show you that, like, the kind of volume that I meant to the one that you're supposed to use, adding that one, the kinky, the small, that kinky. So let's first look at these ones. So after, you'll get to know how to plait the other one. So this is what I keep on doing. Please don't add anything in this one. Just plait your own, as long as you have natural hair. Yes, just play around with your natural hair only. You see how I twist my fingers while plaiting cornrows? Yes, I know you can learn how to do this. You can learn how to do this. It's not very, it is not difficult, not at all. You can learn how to do it. Yes, just like that. Yes, so shout out to all my friends who are subscribing and those ones who are watching right now. Guys, I promise that you have to know all types of hairstyles, because for me, yes, I do everything. So we shall keep on doing each hairstyle slowly by slowly. And any question that you'd want to ask, please feel free to ask me and I'll be there to answer you. Yes, I promise that I'll be there to answer you. So this is how I'm doing my cornrows, as you're seeing. So when I'm done my side way, this was like a design that I want my side way to look. So after, since I told you, like, I'm going to be adding the extension, so I'm trying to do the swirls behind. Yes, just like that. You can see how my cornrows are looking like. So I tried to be faster here because I already showed you how the cornrows are, and the here is I'm plaiting I'm just crocheting the spring twist. That one you know. So I just crocheted the spring twist the whole of the other sides. Remember I told you like these cornrows that I did here was like a design, like I wanted to make my cornrows to have some style. So yeah, I did it this way, yeah, just like that. And this one, that's what you also know. If you don't know how to play the spring twist, you can check out my videos also there. That one will teach you how to play the spring twist. Yes, so if you also get that, and this is how we do it. And I'm going to show you when I'm done doing it, yeah, what happened. Yeah, so things to learn we are still going on. You see, I'm done with the French cornrows. So let's do something very quick so that will looks more nice. Yeah, when you're cutting them, you just cut them and make them equal. Like when you choose to cut it that way, make sure it's that equal. So I think you have seen my French cornrows, and next time I'm going to show you how you can do it with the straight hair. Bye bye. Don't forget.